The mother cat and her kittens are a royal family and live very happily together in a beautiful palace-like house. Oh no, mother cat and kitten woke up because of the loud thunder outside. Oh my God, the storm was so strong that it sucked the mother cat and kittens out of the castle. The mother cat pushed her kitten into a safe place while she clung to the fence. Oh no, while clinging to the fence, the mother cat was hit by a large tree. Since losing his mother, the kitten has been very miserable. She is alone in living on the streets. The kitten was very hungry, so she decided to take the fish from the market and run away. At this moment, a kind cat held the kitten's hand and helped the kitten escape. From then on, the kind cat adopted the kitten together. They worked hard to grow vegetables and sell them at the market, living a very happy life.
See, this is my car. His eyes also. Come on, walking my car. Come on my car, try to jump.
Oh my God, this is so dirty water. Hey snakes, you cannot reach me. Where is boy when I will see I not leave his?
I lost my car. When I reached my home, asked my mother to buy a new car.
My sweet kid, what happened? Why are you so sad? Do you want a new car?
Mom, I am so happy because I want to buy a new car. Wow, Mom, how are cars with eyes?
The red car with eyes is so cute. Take this car, my son. Are you happy now, my son?
Yes, Mom, I am so happy.
Looking like the same kid. Where he going?
This monster car is following us, my son.
Where are you going, little kid? Today I will leave you.
Oh, monster truck will eat me. This is the same truck that I threw in the dirty water. I am go home, otherwise monster truck will eat me. Thank God that was the dream.
What are you doing, husband? Please leave me, please.
Why did Dad kill Mom?
I am very sorry your mother slipped from the yacht.
I will take revenge. Mom!
Finally. We are together now, my love.
Hey kids, this is your stepmother.
I will take care of your child, don't worry. Hey kids, why are you standing there? Come.
No, you are not my mother.
Today I am so happy because I got my love.
Wash all the dishes quickly. If you stop even a little, you will be killed. Clean the whole house. You are working very slowly. Finish work quickly. I told you to finish work quickly, but you didn't listen to me.
I miss you, Mom. I am very alone. One day I will become a police officer, and take my revenge and yours, Mom.
10 years later, put all poster in the all walls. I want to that girl.
Oh my god, police officer is finding me. Hi, police officer, how are you? When I saw your posters, I'd call you what happened.
Hi, my love, I want to marry you. I really miss you, Mom.
I am so happy with you.
My stepmother lives here. You to stay away from her, okay?
Hi, stepmother, how are you? I am the wife of your stepson.
Get out from my house. You can't live here. This is my house.
He has come to know that I killed his mother, and now he will not leave me.
Dad and stepmother, you are killed my mother today. I will finish you both.
You can't kill me. I am your father. Please forgive me, my son.
I'm so sorry, stepson. Please forgive, please.
Goodbye, Mom.
Say goodbye to Mom.
Goodbye, Mom.
So, children's tell me, how are you guys? I'm in a great mood today.
We are all good. Thank you, driver uncle. Oh my god! Everybody will leave me alone. Hello, driver uncle, are you there? I don't know what happened. Why did everybody leave me alone on the bus? Oh my god, there is too many holes on the road. Oh my god, the bus has caught fire. Someone please help me. Oh my god, thank god that was a dream.
Oh, is someone's bus accident?
Oh, thank god we have arrived. My dream was so bad. Hello, teacher, we are come.
Okay, kids, go to the classroom.
You're so small, a fragile little thing, with eyes so wide, full of wonder and spring. The world seems so big, we have tiny paws, but you braved it all without a pause. Now the corners feel so cold, your warmth is a story untold. Silence now fills the air, where your soft purrs would declare. Little paw prints in the rain, washed away but not the pain. A tiny heart so pure, so sweet, now a memory I'll always keep. Little paw prints in the rain, washed away but not the pain. A tiny heart so pure, so sweet, now a memory I'll always keep. The sun's still shining, but it's not the same. Playful spirit's just a name. Every shadow, I think it's you, but shadows fade like morning dew. I'd give the world to hold you tight, to hear your meow in the quiet night. But you've gone to a brighter place, leaving love I can't replace. Little paw prints in the rain, washed away but not the pain. A tiny heart so pure, so sweet. Now a memory I'll always keep. I'm free where the flowers are tight, to hear your meow in the quiet night. But you've gone to a brighter place, leaving love I can't replace. And free where the flowers bloom, beyond the skies, beyond the gloom. I'll see you there, my little friend, in the place where broken hearts mend. Little paw prints in the rain, washed away but not the pain. A tiny heart so pure, so sweet. Now a memory I'll always keep. Though you're gone, your love remains. Little paw prints etched in my veins. Someday we'll meet beyond the play. Till then, I'll walk with your paw prints in the rain.